Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'm breaking down the Roblox voice chat removal while I play in 2025. Let's get into it. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gaming insights. All right, here we go. While I navigate this game, here's the deal. Roblox has turned off voice and text chat for users in Saudi Arabia and UAE. This move came after talks with local regulators, the Saudi Media Authority and UAE's TDRA, to ramp up child safety online. They're targeting risks like cyberbullying and harmful content, making it a priority to protect younger players. The change kicked in right away, and Roblox is rolling out Arabic enhancements, plus better moderation tools like filters and parental controls. This could set a trend for stricter rules elsewhere. Keep an eye on Roblox updates for any changes to chat features. And that's the full scoop on Roblox voice chat removal. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.